saw from Hernandez in the previous conference that he hopes to bring.
Aba, bumawi naman si Francis Escandor. Kanyang unang point sa ating laban.
He's a shooter. Escandor getting it done. I think that's his second. They're milking that play with Sangalang, bodying up close. And he gets the shot, he'll go to the line.
He's schooling Kalen Thompson, and Kalen's getting frustrated. Tapos baka landing spot tip from Pringle. Goes to the wrong team. Lemetti jacks up a three, his second of the game.
You give him that wide open space, Lemetti's gonna drain
that ball alive.
What a shot! What a shot!
What a shot!
Whoa! Against two defenders, and he took it from the reverse angle. Mahirap na dugo. Watch it here. There's that ball fake, and then the reverse, back to the basket. Brent Paraiso.
3. Medyo na... Karakot underneath, kicks it to the side. Outside shot. And look at this guy. He got a three-point play earlier. Now a three-point shot for Malonzo. Outside to Karakot, the swing to Dato. He'll take again. And this time, he gets it to go.
Pinabayaan lang ni Edwards. Edwards didn't even bother to raise that arm.
The ball is up. Nakuha ulit ng Rainer Shine. 4 from Asisio.
Oh, yes.
Pasok yan!
A big basket coming from Asisio. And score is now tied.
Tabla na bigla after being down 12. Rainer. Sangalang to Hernandez. Looks at the clock. He'll just put it up. And get it to go. That's a 4.
A 4-point shot
Hernandez
coming from Hernandez. And that chops down the lead to 4 points.
Sometimes you think,
from 8.
what kind of a decision? But when it goes in, good decision from Paulo.
That's a 4-point shot.
Against Edwards.
It's 1-on-1. Nowhere to go? Yes.
Oh, he
somewhere
powered
to go.
up. He decided he's going to power up there.
Nakita natin yun, no? A single coverage on the part of Edwards against Thompson. Thompson with the height advantage, with the experience advantage.
That was an offense going nowhere. Johnson underneath, hands in the air. Finally gets a bucket, and then a foul to boot. So bonus free throw para kay Kalen Johnson.
A quick pass, and then a score in transition. Just out the way.
Karakot, naging 4-point lead. Diba?
Strong drive to the hole for Karakot. That's 5 points. Shines back in the driver's seat. Second shot coming up. And
offensive rebound and putback. 3-point play in reverse. And Rainer Shine.
Offensive rebound. More second chance points for Rainer Shine. You know? With 10 points
Santi,
so
the baseline's open. Sino ba yan? Si Manuel, pero napasok pa rin ni Santi yun. Despite the muscle man. 3-point play opportunity for Santillan.
That's a wide open lane.
Ganda ng pasay.
Oo, para kay Santillan. And then here by Johnson is running. And there is a nice pass. Whoa, he almost brought down the backboard.
I thought it was going to collapse, actually.
Tremendous slam dunk.
Well, he's at least 260. I think. Watch
What a
this.
pass. Nice pass getting at Johnson.
Watch him hang on. The basket support Thompson to the corner. Upstairs to Docomo 3 if it goes. And it does! Adrian Docomo. Anywhere on the floor, he can put it in.
21 points. Sparkling points for Adrian Docomo to go with 7 rebounds across his name.
Sama-sama tayo, manlalaro, tapos yun na.